Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights. This is required to change desktop identifiers. Open Settings now. Start Settings, Personalization, Themes. Once there, choose Desktop Icon Settings to view the computer name display option. If you prefer registry edits, make a system restore point first, because incorrect values can break appearance settings. Make sure to note the current name and location of any custom theme files. You will revert if needed. Now, proceed to the display options or registry path, depending on which method you will use. You now choose the middle step. Either hide the desktop name via the GUI or edit the registry for a persistent change. In Desktop Icon Settings, uncheck the computer entry and click Apply. That removes the label quickly. If using Registry, navigate to the Explorer key under HKCU, find the value that controls desktop name visibility, and set it to 1. Once done, close Registry Editor and restart Explorer to apply. Make sure to export the key before editing so you can restore it if needed. You finish by confirming the change. Restart Windows Explorer or reboot the PC so the desktop refreshes and the name disappears. Once the system restarts, verify all icons and labels look correct. If the name still appears, revert the registry export you saved earlier or reset the theme to default. If something breaks, like missing icons or unexpected behavior, use the system restore point you created at the start to roll back. Remember, careful backups prevent most problems, so keep that export handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.